Hey everybody, the other day you may have seen this. It was a quick little do-it-yourself project. Check it. Yo. I walk down this lonely road. I look right, I look left, there's nowhere to go. I look to you. You've always been listening to me. I've always been wondering. First things first, the last things first, and first love hurts, and last words are the worst. To me, you are the best. I'm talking better than the best. This is better than bliss. There's nothing better than this. I blow a kiss cause I'm gone. Cause if we're gonna do it right now. Now take me home. Okay, did you hear that? Because I didn't. Okay, maybe I did, but this was honestly such a subtle difference. Let me know what you think. If you haven't already subscribed, we have a lot of fun here, or at least I do. All the best to you and yours. See you next time.